I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a photo to a GIF with a simple shortcut on your iPhone. So first, we're going to open up the Shortcuts app. Then we're going to click the plus button on the top right. Now we're going to search for Select Photos. We'll add that. We'll tap here for Select Multiple. Next, we'll search again for Make GIF. We'll tap here, and then we'll search again for Save to Photos and select that. Now you can add this to your home screen if you want by tapping the share icon on the bottom right, and then you can click Add to Home Screen if you want. I'm going to leave that off for now. When you're ready, select Done, and it will be in your shortcuts list. And we can tap here and we can actually rename this if you want. Tap on the down arrow, tap rename, and then GIF from pic. Now we got done. So GIF from pic. So we're going to select this to get started. And obviously I've got a lot of screen recordings because I'm making a lot of these videos. But to make our GIF, we need multiple photos. Now I have these pictures from my music festival and traveling channel, but we're going to select these three right here and make a GIF out of those. So we'll select those and then click Add. So we'll open up our photo gallery and select our most recent picture. And as you can see, it has made a GIF. Clearly I selected a video as well, so it used a different picture than the one I intended. Let's go back and try that again. We'll go to GIF from picture. And you know what, this time I'm going to select all these images that I took of myself that I posted on my Instagram. Then we'll click Add. And now we'll go again to our photo album. And as you can see, it created a GIF out of all of those images that is now nice and easy for us to use wherever we'd like. And now you're all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.